Hello, future environmental scientists. Our topic for today is about building resilience through soil management, protecting the land, security, future. From the word building resilience, what comes into your mind? Building resilience, developing the ability to adapt, the bounce back from adversity, trauma, or stress, not just surviving but growing stronger through challenges by cultivating positive mindsets and strong relationships. The first one is soil organic matter enhancement. Practices that increase the amount or organic matter improve soil health and buffer against extreme weather by enhancing water holding capacity and reducing erosion. The next one is diverse crop systems. Crop diversification and intercropping helps stabilize yields under variable climate conditions and reduce the risk. And the last one is erosion control. Techniques such as contours farming, terracing, and planting cover crops prevent soil loss and maintain productivity during heavy rains. Example of organic matter. Number one is compost. A decomposed organic material made from plant and kitchen waste, animal waste. The second one is animal manures. Urine and bedding from livestock, examples of poultry. Next one is biosolid. Treated sewage sludge that is safe for land application. It contains significant organic matter and nutrients but should be tested from heavy metal if it's include industrial waste. Types of diverse crop system. Intercropping, growing two or more crops simultaneously in close proximity. The next is mixed intercropping, no specific arrangement. Example, corn and beans mix. Next is strip intercropping, crops grown in wide strips. Example, soybean and potato strips. The next is example of erosion control. The first is cover crops. Planting non-cash crops like legumes or grasses to keep soil covered. The next one is reforestation.